Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and depending on when you're going to be seeing this video. It's your brother, your boy, courserepscorner. Like I always tell you guys, it's my corner, it's your corner, and it's our corner.
I don't wanna fall in love, I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love.
The petition is all about.
Yes.
The petition, what is all about?
Well, this is election petition challenging the gubernatorial election conducted on 18th March 2023 in Ebonyi State. So our clients, PDP and its candidate, Chief Ebonyi Odi, they are challenging as petitioners that election. And the matter has now started. You see, after the inaugural session, we now went into the pre-hearing session. So the pre-hearing session has now formally started. And you see, this petition has so many aspects. We are questioning the qualification, the membership, because we are saying that the person INEC returned as the candidate for APC is a member of a PDP. We have other grounds, unlawful majority of votes and so forth. So, but we are taking it step by step. We have just started with the pre-hearing. So by the next adjournment, that's Friday, we'll look at other pending applications. Once the pre-hearing session is over, we go deep into the hearing of the motion, of the petition. And we are very happy that the tribunal itself has sought the cooperation of all the lawyers and litigants and has asked everybody to eschew unnecessary technicalities, and that this matter will be decided and resolved on merit. That's the substance, not technicality. So we are very glad that this is the position, and we are going to bring whatever evidence we have, all the witnesses we have immediately after the pre-hearing session to go into the actual trial of the case. Yes. Yes.
Now, what is your position on the petition?
Well, as far as we're concerned, we have no cause to fear. They filed their petition and we have responded. And everybody knows that the election was won by APC, who is our client. So they have a right to come to court. We also have a right to reply, and then we meet them, which is why proceedings has kicked off today. And certainly we are also objecting legally to one or two things which they know they are not entitled to do. And for us, we have no cause for alarm as far as we are concerned.
Okay, the head of the tribunal sought for your cooperation to avoid all technicalities along as the matter kicks off. Now, what will be your assurance to the tribunal?
No, certainly, just like I assured the tribunal, we don't believe in technicalities. But why we don't believe in technicalities, we must play by the rules of the game, by the law. Justice should be rendered in accordance with the law. So that is our position, and that is what we believe in. And just like we assured him, we don't have any problem. We believe in substantial justice. And of course, certainly that justice is to all the parties, not just to the petitioners, but also to the respondents. Everybody is entitled to be heard, and the decision should be rendered based on the law and in accordance with the facts presented.
Thanks so much.
My name is Roy O. Omahinweze.
Okay. There is a petition against your client. Now, what is your response to this?
Well, my take on that is that it has become our culture to go to court after every election, not necessarily with regard to any merit in our grievance. Sometimes these things are mere grandstanding or playing to the gallery. The outgoing governor was challenged in 2015, he was challenged in 2019 up to the Supreme Court. And his election stood. He will be handing over on 29th. The present one will go the way of the former. So that is it.
Okay, now today, can you tell us what transpired in court today?
Today was not really a big day in litigation, election petition litigation. not a big day because it was not a day for fireworks. We merely came for the court to know what our responses to certain questions that would determine how the proceedings would go. You know, how we have reacted in the pre-hearing information sheets that we filed. So, even though we went into a lot of rigmarole, speaking so much grammar, it was merely to adopt our answers to questions contained in the pre-hearing information sheet. Even with all that, all the long time it took, with all the big grammar, that was the only business of the day. Nothing beyond that.